Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Bittorrent token. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the price changes occurs in the BTT in August and what will be the price of Bittorrent token at the last of August. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Guys, the current price of the BTT token in the market is 0.003988 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Bittorrent token in the market. And on the other side, if you look, the chain is open on the BTT token, so completely guys, every time I found the chain is positive. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, chain is open on the Bittorrent token is positive. So that's right why I really recommend for all of you to invest now in this coin, because now even my friends, in nowadays every coin is profitable for all of you, but you have to invest for a long term. Some coin, the low price coin, you have to invest for short term. In long high price coin, you have to invest for long term. That's clear. Now you can see, my friends, BTT is one of them. 34% in the price pump in the last 1 week. So if these kind of changes continue in the BTT token, so at the last of 2020, when the price of Bittorrent token will be 0.01 USD dollar price of the BTT token. That's clear. Anyways guys, now I'm feeling good about BTT token. Tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about your BTT? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more updates and news videos.